At Lost Valley, we're excited for the opportunity to deepen our observation and interactions with the natural world. We invite you to join us for our culturally regenerative Social Forestry Camp. This is a fully immersive land tending and community building experience with the goal to build a culture of ecological literacy and develop leadership skills for the regeneration of our watersheds, forests, and oak savanna. Come and deepen your relationships with agroforestry, coppice management, biochar generation and activation, soil health, watershed repair, plant propagation, friends, family, and community. If you feel the call to learn more about what awaits you here, please visit lostvalley.org.